The PIC microcontroller has 6 arithmetic instructions. It only supports addition and subtraction. While executing the arithmetic instructions, flag C carry, DC digit carry and 0 are affected. The following arithmetic instructions are add LW, add WF, subtract LW, subtract WF, increment F and decrement F. The add instruction. The PIC microcontroller only has two add instructions. The add LW, which allows to add a value to the W register, and the second is add WF. The add WF can be used to add the value of W register with the file register and save the result in the file register if the destination is 1. In a similar way, the same instruction add WF can be used to add the W register with the file register but save the result in the W register by using the destination value 0. As seen earlier, the add LW instruction adds a value to the W register. The first instruction move LW 25 copies the value 25 in W register. The add LW 34 value will add 34 to the W register. Upon executing the two lines, the result in W register will be 59H. The add WF instruction. It adds the value of the file register to the W register, and the result is stored in the destination register. If the destination is 0, the result is stored in the W register. Otherwise, it is stored in the F register. As shown below, move LW17 copies the value 17 in W register. Add WF5, 0 adds the value of file register 5 to the W register and stores the result in W register. The subtract LW and sub WF instruction. The subtract LW instruction subtracts a value from the W register. Example, move LW1 copies the value 1 in W register. Sub LW6 subtracts the value of W register from 6, results in 5. The subtract WF instruction subtracts the value of file register from the W register. Move LW1 puts the value 1 in W register. Subtract WF2, 0 will subtract the value of file register 2 with the W register, and the result is stored in the W register. The increment F instruction and the decrement F instruction. The increment F instruction increases the value of the file register by 1. The destination 0 will store the value in W register and destination 1 in the file register. Increment F sub 1. If the value is FF, it will be increased to 00. and the Z flag is affected. The decrement F instruction. It decreases the content of the file register by 1. If the destination is 0, the result is stored in W register, and if it is 1, stored in the F register. Decrement count decreases the count 1 to 0, and after decrement, if the value is 0, the 0 flag is set. The next set of instructions in the PIC microcontroller are the logical instructions. There are 9 logical instructions. The AND instruction, AND LW, and AND WF. The OR instructions, the OR IOR LW and IOR WF. The XOR instructions, XOR LW and XOR WF. The rotate left instruction, RLF, and the rotate right instruction, RRF. And the last is the complement instruction, COMP-F. The logical instructions, AND logic, OR logic, XOR logic are shown in the table below. If both A and B input are 1, then the AND logic output is 1. For OR logic, if both A and B are 0, then the OR logic is 0, else it is 1. The XOR logic, if both A and B are different, then the output is 1, else it is 0. The AND LW instruction and the AND WF instruction. The AND LW instruction does a logical AND with the value of W register. The AND WF instruction does a logical AND with the file register and the W register. The IOR LW instruction and IOR WF instruction. The IOR LW instruction does the OR logical OR operation of the value with W register, and the IOR WF instruction does a logical OR with the file register and the W register. These instructions affect the Z flag. The XOR LW and XOR WF instruction. The XOR LW is an exclusive OR logic operation of a value with the W register and stores the result in W register. The XOR WF instruction is the exclusive OR instruction of file register with the W register and stores the value in the destination D equal to 0 in the W register and D equal to 1 in the file register. Both instructions affect the Z flag. The RLF instruction and RRF instruction. The rotate left instruction rotates each bit to the left through the carry, and the carry is copied into the first bit, the least significant bit. The RRF instruction rotates each bit to the right, and the value of the carry flag is copied to the most significant bit. These instructions affect the carry flag. The, comp, the compf instruction. The compf instruction complements every bit. If a bit is 0, it is complemented to 1. If the bit is 1, it is complemented to 0. It does not affect any flag. The PIC microcontroller has 5 I/O ports: port A, port B, port C, port D and port E. Each of these ports can be initialized as input or output port. To initialize, we use the tris A, tris B, tris C, tris D and tris E. The port A is 6 bits. Port B, C and D are 8 bits and port E is 3 bits. The PIC microcontroller has 2 instructions for setting and clearing bits. Instruction BCF clears the bit and instruction BSF sets the bit. Both the instructions do not affect any flag. The BCF and BSF instruction. The BCF instruction clears the bit in a file register. No flags are affected. After execution of BCF, the 5th bit of status flag will be cleared. The BSF instruction sets the bit in the file register. No flags are affected. After execution of BSF INT con instruction, bit 7 is set.